I'm Ed Kaminsky. I'm never satisfied. I wake up every day thinking about how can I do everything better. I'm always trying to find the way to do better, to serve my clients better. The house is ready for you. I'm here to convey the truth. And I'm okay telling it to them if it means that they can't move. They can't buy a home, they can't sell their home based on what their goals are. The only thing matters is that we're moving in a direction that is going to allow them to do what they want to do.
He's not a salesman, he's a partner in your transaction. Ethical, smart, and capable of any situation.
He wasn't there to make his commission and leave. He was there to make an honest transaction and have this family to be his clients for the rest of our time in Manhattan Beach.
Ed really does put his client's interests first. Most realtors are transaction-oriented. I think he's relationship-oriented, and I think that's what sets him apart.
I think being a great leader is being able to bring a team together and to work hard together and to really deliver the passion and the skills for our client base. I'm married to my wife Cindy, 25 years this year. And I have 2 children, Tina and Candace. They're both in their 30s and work for me. Hello, beautiful. And Tina has 2 children. And these 2 precious gems are the love of my life. But I get down and get dirty with them and play with them. I would say my family strengthens me because of their need for me to be strong for them. Life's tough out there, so they know I am the rock of the family and that they can count on me to be their support system and help them through their own personal challenges. I used to kind of follow what my dad would do. So when I graduated high school, he happened to be in so-called jewelry business. And so I came out to Southern California, Santa Monica, to attend the Gemological Institute of America. 7 years into the jewelry business, I wanted something more. And I discovered real estate, took my real estate exam. I put my toe in the water and I quit my job. I had 2 kids at the time, so a very risky decision. And I sold 17 houses my first year in the business. I knew I made the right decision and I've never looked back. There's no question that I love helping clients with luxury homes and high valued assets. But when it comes down to it, whether a client is buying a $200,000 condo or selling a $20 million beachfront home, I don't change my energy, effort, passion, and commitment to my clients one iota. I don't focus a lot on the success of the day. I just continue to look at how many more clients could I serve? What is next? What is possible? I look to tomorrow.